Hello folks, hope you're doing well. I'm doing great, and in this video I'm going to trade live on Pocket Option using AI, specifically ChatGPT. I hope it will help me to make smarter decisions, but how it will be? We'll see in the video. I will show you 5 top prompts was really helpful, and let's jump to the market. Okay, and now let's discuss prompts. This is the most useful and helpful when you trade with ChatGPT. So prompt number 1, trend check. This helps you avoid false entries in sideways zones. Prompt number 2, entry or wait. Great for filtering emotional trades, and the most powerful one actually helps you to make final decision in trading. Prompt 3, key levels. AI can highlight hidden zones you might miss. Prompt number 4, candle clues. Especially useful after sharp spikes or drops. Prompt 5, risk control. This prompt keeps you from chasing price. Use these prompts smart, combined well, and you will see what's gonna happen. I've already loaded all 5 prompts of my training into ChatGPT. To move faster, I'll just type things like prompt 1, prompt 2, and so on. Now I'll just send a screenshot of the chart, and we'll ask from prompt 1 to analyze the chart, and after this, prompt 2, it's to make decision to buy, sell, or wait. So you can see the summary of the chart, a good example how the chat can help us. And now prompt 2, just let's chat make decision about this pair. As you can see that it's even help us with support and resistance line. Which is cool. Let me draw it. Usually we will use prompt 1 and prompt 2, market analysis and decision making. This is the most powerful. But we will test other ones also, of course. Okay. So we draw the lines based on recommendations. Keep it in mind, this is my first live session with ChatGPT, so be kind in this. Don't judge me. I'm really curious if this will work or not. Hopefully I won't lose money but this session, this crazy experiment. Okay, let's pick the pair. And let's pick another pair. Yeah, I can't wait to open a new deal. Let me send the screenshot to chat and see what recommendation it will give to us. Okay, here, let's go. Prompt number 1. Let chat analyze the chart. Yeah, well, I see a good analysis. Okay, everything is clear for me. Let's jump to prompt 2, final decision making. So as you can see, wait for confirmation. Okay, what kind of confirmation we need to wait for? I like it actually. Okay, strongly. Okay, let's check the chart. Let's draw the line on the levels of recommendation. I actually like the recommendation. This is decent level. And we need to also follow best move recommendation, okay, buy only if price breaks and close above 0.599 and sell only if you get a clear. Okay, so look, we see this confirmation. I will open a trade here for 300. Let me remind you, the best move it was wait for confirmation of one bullish candle and after this open a sell position. We go as ChatGPT recommend us sell. To be honest, I'm not very comfortable, you know, just to believe AI, but for this experiment it's interesting. Okay, nice, that works. That's work well. Profit on the first AI guided setup. Let's keep going with the experiment. Let's keep going. Let's ask ChatGPT if there's any risk staying with this pair. That's prompt number 5. Okay. Okay, it's a not a good risk-reward zone right now. Fair point. Let's adjust the zone upward as it recommends. And we will wait for a stronger bullish signal as it also recommends us. So ChatGPT recommends us to placing resistance line on this zone, right? Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Me, I'm not fighting with AI today. Just follow the recommendations. Okay. But you know that market kept moving, of course, and this is the not comfortable for me also because after recommendation I need to do some moves and go from jump from window to window to make the settings, and after this the market already can change, you know, like that's why I believe more in some indicators what I'm using usually. But the point of experiment, just see if it can be helpful. Okay. Never follow AI blindly, of course, but as you can see, it's actually they gave us a good information. Short analysis, fast analysis, you know, so really can help. Okay. Let's open a deal for buy 300 based on last recommendation, because as you can see the price broke up the support line and the recommendation was to buy. Based on my experience, this trade may actually end up as a loss, but here I will use martingale multiplicator. It's okay, just a trading. Even professional traders can make mistakes, and yeah, also AI can make mistakes. We don't believe blindly, but let's keep going. The point is to follow ChatGPT decisions today, not mine. So let's send a new screenshot. We'll skip the analysis and jump to prompt 2, buy or sell or wait. Let's see what chat will say to us. Okay. Mr. AI says sell confidently. I'll raise the trade size and follow through. Let's trade with 1000. I agree with the AI here. We are clearly in a bearish trend. It's probably good recommendation as I can see. What can I summarize from now? That if it's clear signal from chart, you can trust it. If it's, say, wait for confirmation, here is not sure, and you need to analyze it more deeper. Great! Hey, it works, guys. We made back the previous loss. Even we're in plus now. Let's choose another pair and go again. Let's send a screenshot to chat. And let's use our strategy. Prompt number 1, market analysis. We're going to start from this. Let's see. I really like how this AI analyzed the chart so fast. You know, like, yeah, I definitely will use this trick. And let's do for prompt 2. Let's see the recommendation. What should we do? So, again, chat says sell. I have to lower my trade size and follow its call. Let's sell. To be honest, I'm not totally sold on this setup. But this part of the experiment, as I said before, let's trust the AI today. See, because actually the recommendation is quite clear, like it's quite smart. We're close. And hey, we got the win. Thanks, ChatGPT. Wow, not bad for this moment. Still, I'll admit I feel more confident when I'm using my own knowledge. This is fun, but I would trade like this every day, no. But definitely I will use the short analysis of the chart, and maybe this point of resistance and support zones, it can work. Yes, sometimes I can use it. Okay, let's ask for another decision. Same pair, fresh screenshot, new conditions. Now the AI give us an actual plan. If price breaks 407, then sell. Okay. Now let's draw the line. And I will draw a bit upper. Then 407. And we'll wait if candle will broke this level or not. This is, remind you, this is no other tools today, no indicators, not my even own knowledges, just ChatGPT advices. Let's see. Okay, so candle broke that level or not? Yes, looks like it's broken now. Looks like it's broke now. I'm not 100% sure this is the right play, honestly. I'm starting to hesitate. Can we really trust AI with every decision? Of course not, but it's interesting. Queen plus now, actually. Let's give it a chance. No, I'm not sure that I see that I can't trust like this. Let me send a fresh screenshot, a new screenshot of this pair. I think it will be more fair play, because yeah, I will move the support line to the level what ChatGPT recommend to us, and let me send a new screenshot. Let chat see the situation right now at the moment, and we go straight to prompt 2 to ask for decision. Let's see. What do you think about yourself, ChatGPT? Let's see. Wait for confirmation. Okay. Leaning buy. Too late to sell. I'm agree here. Okay, you are probably in resistance zone. Okay, resistance zone from this level. And so best move, let's do. Okay, if the next candle closes about 409. Okay, 409. Wait for confirmation. If price breaks above 409, then go for it. And then buy. If price reject, to sell. It's 49. The price. Here's this situation where I will use different strategy, but the ChatGPT tell us if this level broke, we should buy. Okay, 500. It's not big money for me for this experiment, so let's buy. Hey ChatGPT, give me some money. As you can see, the price not truly going upward. But let's wait and see. We're following this system today. There's always a delay when trading based on chat responses. We don't react instantly, and that can affect results. It's close. It's close. Be honest, it was not bad recommendation, but unfortunately is loss. We lost this 500, but win plus. For today, the experiment is over, and let me give you my conclusions. So folks, as you can see, ChatGPT is a powerful tool when it comes to analyzing price action. It helps you to stay calm, focused and confident, especially in fast-moving markets. But remember, don't follow AI blindly. It's smart, really powerful assistant, not a magic button. Always double-check the context and make your own decision. If you want to improve your skills and learn real trading strategies, check out other videos and follow my Telegram channel. Subscribe if you're ready to stop guessing and start trading with clarity. Let's make money, trade smart, and see you in the next one.